to. Ayo, Manila to. Chinese to. Kuya, saan punta mo?
Ibig niyo naman yung mukha ko, di ba?
Okay. We're gonna go to Causeway Bay and it's about 5:30.
Ibig niyo naman yung mukha ko, di ba?
Saan punta? Kuya, saan punta mo?
What?
Oh my God. Akala ko paglabas namin, Times Square na mismo. Hindi pa. Mall pa. Nakailang connect kami ng train. Actually, ito yung isa sa mga bagay na kailangan nyo ring malaman. Kung kayo ay pupunta dito sa Hong Kong at gusto nyo pumunta sa Causeway Bay, gusto nyo pumunta sa Times Square, humanda kayo kasi mahaba-habang biyahe at ilang MTR ang inyong sasakyan. Okay? Ako, medyo patient ako, pero hindi ako ganun ka-patient. Alam mo yun, mas gugustuhin ko pa na nasa hotel, natutulog. Pero gusto ko din ma-experience in Times Square, kaya punta tayo. Finally, we're in Times Square. Okay, we're now gonna find the place where we can eat because I'm hungry. We're all hungry. Ay, oh. May pa-something doon.
Ano na?
So guys, we're now at Cafe de Coral.
Okay na?
Oh, naka-lemon din si Chari. Yun yung gusto ko. Food. Pero ito, masarap yung mamang pagkain namin. Okay lang yan. May salted egg, may sausage, may chicken, may crispy pork belly, may veggies, rice. Ngayon lang po magkakaroon. So, ayan. Mga busog na yung kasama ko. Actually, busog na rin ako. Say hi! Yung kanina pa kami naglalakad. Oy, si Mikey nakakita ng milk tea. Promise. Weakness na namin ni Mikey yung milk tea.
Hindi ka nga. Malboro Lights.
Ate Alice ha, baka mamaya yung
Maya na, walang 7-Eleven
sama ng
dito.
ugali ko, pakita mo dyan ha.
Actually, naka-schedule. Mahal ko pa buhay ko, Mr. CMT. Huwag kang ganyan. Okay, so nakasakay na kami ng tram and this is what it looks like on the inside. Diba? Medyo ano siya, if you have watched a lot of like old school, para siyang bus sa Pilipinas, pero mas makipot, tsaka less yung standing space kasi nga, tawag dito, basta iba yung ano, iba yung energy dito. Tapos, ito, mas mura sa MTR. It's only $2.60.
We already took the tram going to Central, and after this,
I do like the
we're gonna
tram.
board the Central.
Uy, may
at Central.
Jollibee. I saw a
And after that, we go. Yeah, I think we're gonna take
Pansin
the
ko
ferry.
wala masyadong nag-car talaga. Mostly mga, yan.
And then from
Kasi,
there, I think we can get something else like, you know, a lot of
Nakakatuwa
souvenirs.
naman. May Jollibee
And
din
then,
dito sa
what else? Some
Causeway.
souvenirs in
Okay. I'm gonna talk to you guys in a
I'm
while.
not sure if that is the right term to use, but when you are in
I'll
Hong
talk to you
Kong,
guys in a while. Okay. So, we're now at Central. Again, Central na naman kami. Ngayon naman, we need to catch the ferry. Paano namin huli yun? Hindi ko rin alam. Pero, nilalamig na ako. Malapit na po akong magkaroon ng pneumonia dito. Lamig. Ang lamig. Pero masarap pa din. Okay. So, Central, pupunta na kami sa Pier 7 para makapag-ferry kami papuntang Chimchasu, not Sui. Okay? Kasi TS, so SH ang basa. Ano, mahirap to. Chinese to. Parang may wall of Misa doon, no? Mali yung turo! Sing, sing, sing. Ang hirap maging vlogger. Nakakapagod. My God! At yung mga kasama ko nag-vlog din, di ba? Saya-saya. Okay, pabalik na kami sa hotel. So, this is the last minute of my vlog for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hindi ako nakapag-end vlog to the previous ones. Sobrang nakaka-stress, pero I really had fun. Medyo may downside lang kanina. Yan. Ganda yan. That's the view. It's so pretty, even if it's foggy. Saan? Charlie's Tero, no? Yan. So, right now, we're going back to our hotel. We're just walking along Nathan Road kasi malapit din naman sa Nathan Road. So, direct train na natin itong mga besh. So, I'll talk to you guys on the next vlog.